Hi students, welcome to the science class. In the last class we were seeing about the different types of teeth. Have you gone through the video? Yes or no? Yes, I hope you have understood the lesson. And today we are going to see how a tooth becomes unhealthy and how can we keep our teeth healthy. Okay, so before going to our class, we will see the answers of the questions given in the previous class. The first question, how are canines helpful to us? Answer, canines help us to tear food into pieces. And state one difference between premolars and molars. Premolars are broad and flat in shape. They help to chew food. And molars are bigger and wider than premolars. They help us to grind food. So now we see how a tooth becomes unhealthy. So when we eat, food particles stuck between the teeth or on the teeth or between the gum and the teeth, isn't it? So sometimes when we eat food, the food particles will be entering between the teeth. So if the food particles remain there, what will happen? If the food particles remain there for a long time, germs will grow around the food particles. Okay, and slowly it eats the sugar particles present in the food. At the same time, they produce an acid. The germs produce an acid, and this acid destroys the enamel, and slowly we get a hole in the teeth, and the hole is known as the cavity. So what will happen if you do not remove the food particles between the teeth? Germs will grow around the food particles, and the food particles cause damage to the teeth. The germs attack the enamel of the teeth and make holes in the teeth, and that holes are known as cavity. And it does not attack the teeth first. What will happen? First, the acid produced by the germs produce a yellow substance, an yellow sticky substance on the teeth. That substance is known as plaque. Okay, first what will be formed? When the germs attack the teeth, a sticky substance that is yellow in color is formed on the teeth, that is called plaque, and we have to remove the plaque. If you do not remove the plaque, the germs enter into the teeth and it destroys the dentin and the pulp, and finally it causes tooth decay. Okay, if you do not remove the yellow substance, the plaque from the teeth, what will happen? The germs enter into the teeth and it destroys the dentin and the pulp and cause toothache. Okay, afterwards the tooth falls. Okay, the tooth will be destroyed and it will be fall at last. Okay, so what are the effects of tooth decay? So if you get a tooth decayed, what will happen? The gums, we get bleeding of gums or sore gums and bad smell. When we breathe, the smell is not good, and also indigestion. Okay, if we have tooth decay, it results in the sore gums or bleeding of gums, tooth loss and bad breath and indigestion. Okay, so we have to keep our teeth clean. Okay, when we eat food, food gets stuck between our teeth or on the teeth or between the teeth and the gums. That time what will happen? Germs grow around it. They feed on the sugar present in the food, sugar particles present in the food. So at the same time they produce an acid. That acid destroys the outer covering of the teeth enamel and it spoils the gums, and because of that bleeding of gums will happen and finally it creates holes in the teeth, and that holes are known as cavities. Okay, then germs first attack the enamel and form a sticky yellow coating called plaque. Okay, first the germs attack the enamel and as a result an yellow substance is formed that is known as the plaque. If the plaque is not removed, what will happen? The germs get inside the teeth and it destroys the dentin and the pulp. Okay, finally what happens? The acid produced by the germs breaks the cementum. Cementum is the binding substance. Okay, the cementum binds the tooth and the gum. So that is also destroyed and it leads to tooth decay. Because of tooth decay we get toothache. Okay, sometimes we get toothache. Why? Because your tooth is decaying. You have tooth decay. That's why you get ache. Tooth decay can result in sore and bleeding gums. Sometimes the gums will be swollen and sometimes it causes bleeding. Sometimes blood will come from the gums and it causes toothache and tooth loss. After that, tooth will be lost and bad breath and indigestion. Okay, so this is the cavity formed. Okay, smooth surface cavity. First the germs attack the enamel. Okay, then it attacks the dentin and it attacks the pulp, and slowly cavities will be, holes will be formed. Okay, that is this one, cavities are formed. The stages of tooth decay. See, white spot, first a spot, small spot will be there. After that the enamel will be decayed and the dentin will be decayed. Then it damages the pulp. Okay, then finally tooth decay will happen and the tooth will be lost. So this is the plaque. Okay, this is the plaque, the yellow substance formed on the teeth by the action of acid produced by the germs. This yellow substance, sometimes we can see in our teeth also yellow substance. Okay, that is known as plaque. If it is not removed, the germs will attack the dentin and pulp. Finally we get tooth ache and finally the tooth will be lost. Okay, next we will see how to keep our teeth clean and neat. So there are some tips for you to follow. The first one, brush at least twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day, that is in the morning and at the night. After eating food at night, we have to brush your teeth. Before going to sleep, you have to brush your teeth, and also after getting up, you have to brush the teeth. Okay, in the textbook there are 4 pictures given. So brush the upper jaw, then brush the lower jaw, then brush the chewing surfaces, and you have to clean your tongue also with brush or tongue cleaner. Okay, you have to brush the upper jaw, lower jaw and the chewing surface and also the tongue with your brush or tongue cleaner. That's the first point. And second point, massage your gums with your fingers. Massage the gums with the fingers. Okay. Third one, use a dental floss to remove the food particles present in between the teeth. That you have to do at least once in a day. Dental floss are available in the shop. It is a thread-like structure. You have to keep that thread between the teeth and you can remove the food particles stuck between the teeth. Okay. Then avoid soft drinks and eating too much sweets. You have to avoid soft drinks. That you have seen soft drinks, isn't it? You have drunk soft drinks. Which are the soft drinks? Soft drinks contain some chemicals. That is not good for our teeth. So this Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, these are all soft drinks. That is not good. That is not good to use. You have to avoid all the soft drinks and don't eat too much of sweets. You can eat sweets, but that should be in limited number. Don't eat too much sweets. Okay. you have to, instead of that you have to eat more leafy vegetables, green and leafy vegetables. And the next point, chewing sugar cane and raw carrots provides exercise to the tooth and gums. So when you get time, you have to chew the sugar cane. Sugar cane, you are familiar with the sugar cane, isn't it? And also you can chew raw carrots. That will help to increase the health of the teeth and also gums. Okay. Then rinse your mouth after eating. So after every meal you have to wash your mouth with water. You have to rinse your mouth with water after every meal. When you eat one chocolate also, after eating chocolate you have to wash your mouth. So the next point, use a soft bristled brush. Okay. So 3 types of brushes are available. Hard brushes are there, medium, soft. You have to use a soft brush and you have to change your brush after 3 months. Okay, more than 3 months you cannot use one brush. If it is required, before that you can change your brush. Maximum 3 months only you use one brush. Okay, that also you have to use soft bristled brush. So the next one, use calcium rich products. Okay, for that we have to drink milk and use milk products like cheese, butter, cottage cheese, etc. Cottage cheese means the cheese obtained in our home, produced in our home. You can use milk and milk products to get calcium. Okay, calcium is necessary for the growth of the teeth. And finally, visit a dentist regularly. You have to go and check your teeth, go to the hospital and check your teeth. You have to consult with a dentist if there is any damage to the teeth or not. Okay, that are the points you have to follow to keep your teeth healthy. Okay. So brush at least twice a day. First point, you have to brush the teeth 2 times in the morning and at night. Then massage gum with fingers. Massage your gums with the fingers. Then use dental floss to remove food particles trapped between the teeth. Even after brushing, sometimes the food particles remain between the teeth. So you can use a dental floss to remove the food particles. Avoid soft drinks and eating too many sweets. Don't eat too many sweets, and also you should not drink soft drinks. It causes damage to the teeth. Chew sugarcane and raw carrots regularly. Okay. Then rinse mouth after eating. Wash your mouth after every meal. Use a soft bristled brush and change it every 3 months. You have to use soft brush and change the brush after every month. Don't use more than 3 months. Consume calcium rich products like milk products. Okay, milk, cheese, butter, etc. Then you have to go to a dentist and do checkup regularly whether you have any tooth damage or not. Find out your tooth decay. Thank you.